welcome back to my channel. So today I have another makeup look for you. One of my friends, she sent me this makeup look to do, and I was actually kind of like, I was like, oh, this is interesting, because it was so simple, and I really like it because it was just so simple to do. So this video is not going to be long, but I really do hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a short, as you can see. So I already picture. It didn't really look like she had much on her face, so I'm not gonna be using like a ton of products. I'm just gonna be using like very few products. So I'm gonna be doing eyebrows. I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows a little different today because she didn't, like, for eyebrows from the picture, if you can tell, she didn't really have that much product on her eyebrow either. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking Vaseline. Yes, I'm gonna be taking Vaseline. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand, and I'm just gonna be brushing the hairs up. Now the brows are done, I'm gonna move on to the eyes. So in the video, she didn't put a base, but I really like to start off with a base, you know, because I like to start off with a base to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same concealer to prime my eyes, the LA Girl concealer, and then we'll start. So now that we have our base done, I'm just going to be taking 2 shades from one palette, and it's from my Wet n Wild palette, the Rosé in the Air palette. And I'm just going to be taking these 2 shades right here, and I'm just going to ever so lightly just place them on my lids. She didn't put any color on her lids, but I'm just going to add a little bit of color. So now we're gonna go on to actually trying what she did. So she took mascara. So I'm gonna be using the Best Volume Extreme Volumizing Mascara from Jordana. It comes like in a tube like this. And what she did, she placed the mascara on her eyelid. For the next eye, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline mascara. And then I'm gonna be taking my liquid eyeliner from Sacha. I'm just gonna be adding a few dots. As well as I'm gonna be adding a wing. Then I'm going to be taking a black eyeshadow. This is from a Sacha palette. I don't know the name of it because I've had it for so long. But I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow and I'm just going to be filling in where, you know, I'm seeing spaces from the eyeliner. So what she did, she had her under eyes done too, but before I do my under eyes, I am going to do my face off camera because basically I use almost the same products every time and I will list them below. So what you want to do is you want to do your normal foundation routine and then we will go back in with the eyes because she did do an underneath, like something underneath. So I'm going to be doing my foundation off camera and so I will be right back. Face is done. Off camera what I did is I added in some lashes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the under eye. So again, she didn't do much with the under eye. So I'm going to be taking my same mascara and I'm just going to be placing a little bit on my lower lashes. And I'm going to be taking my eyeliner and she drew a couple lines below a lash. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back into my Sacha palette and I'm going to be taking the black and I'm just going to be adding some black shadow underneath. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my black liner again and I'm just going to be, because she dotted, like she made freckles, so I'm just going to be dotting sort of my liner on my face. So she didn't put any dramatic colors on her lips, so we're going to be going very, very lightly with lips today. I'm going to be using the Sacha Chubby Hello Voice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my hair, put on a better top, and I will be and that, guys, is the completed look. I think I did pretty well with it. I know the lipstick is showing up pink on camera. She actually used a kind of like red peachy gloss, but I thought it would have shown as a red, but it's showing up pink on camera, but trust me, it's red. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. I really do hope you guys enjoyed the video, and again, thank you all for the support. I really, 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 really love you guys and hope to see you back soon.